jump to the ServiceNow GRC Suite integrated risk management. So, ServiceNow integrated risk management is an application that is provided by ServiceNow, which allows enterprises to have a platform where they can, manage all the risk, identify them, assess them, prioritize operational and technological risk, and then having a platform which allows them to take risk informed decisions by aligning risk and activities and business goals. So they are compliant from a regulatory point of view as well, and they are doing the things in the right manner itself only. Features of IRM enables them to automate the assessments, track changes, scope audits, and manage controls from single platform itself only. These are some of the common areas supported by ServiceNow integrated risk product: policy compliance, regulatory change, tech and operational risk. There are many more. I think we will be covering them in the demo. Moving on to the next slide, business continuity management. So what is business continuity management? So let's say you have in your enterprise itself only something has gone wrong, or there is a risk which has happened. Now, how do we mitigate that? Like, we have a plan for it, but actually how we work on that, actually how we execute on that, how do we do that? So business continuity management is basically that. It is a application from ServiceNow that allows us to be resilient by enabling organization to prepare and respond and recover from these business disruptions, where it provides us business impact analysis as well, where you can do analysis and identify what has gone wrong and what are all the things which are impacted by it. So let's say if something has gone wrong, and it can give you a discovery map itself, dependency map itself only, where you can identify, okay, these are the configuration items which are affected by it. Okay, this is the risk exposure I have because this has happened, and this is the money that we are facing or we might be kind of running into. So that is also something business continuity management allows us to do. Again, this is the anatomy of business continuity plan, which gives us adaptability, proactive service, practicality, efficiency, and comprehensiveness. Then we have privacy management. We talked a little bit about it. So privacy management is something which is a growing, I would say, compliance or need that company needs to follow, because almost all the regulations are evolving around this itself only. With rise of AI as well, everybody wants to make sure we have the right privacy rules in place. A lot of organizations are enforcing them. A lot of regions and countries are enforcing them. So how do we keep a track of all of them? So privacy management from ServiceNow allows us to do that. It proactively manage privacy risk, comply with evolving data privacy regulations. It not only does all of that, it provide workflows to assess new projects, vendor processes for personal data use before they go live. So you don't have to worry like who is having access to the data, what level of access they have, and how they're utilizing it. So you don't have to worry about all of those things. Privacy management takes care of all of that. Then key capabilities include privacy case management, data right management, and automated privacy impact assessment. Moving on to the next slide, you can see some of the privacy risk faced by organization worldwide. Growth of data and data silos, growing attack surface, evolving use of personal information in AI and ML, disconnected tools, growing volumes, complex evolving regulations, and all of these things. There are many more as well, but these are just to name a few. Then we have third-party risk management. So third-party risk management is basically a way where ServiceNow ServiceNow applications allows us to manage vendors right from onboarding to offboarding, doing the due diligence, doing continuous risk assessment, monitoring, issue management, and performance tracking, so that we have a clear understanding who are all the vendors and how they are onboarded, how they are offboarded, what is it that they are doing, how they are executing on it, to ensure whether we are compliant or not according to the compliances that we are following, according to the regulations that we need to follow, and according to the risk that we have identified might be there. Are they actually doing the things right way itself only? Third party risk management allows us to track all of that. Some of the things you will be seeing in the demo itself only, so you will have more clarity about it. Moving on to the next slide. So this is total business value of ServiceNow vendor risk management. Basically, this slide is showcasing how much you can save by simply implementing it. So we can save 138,000 by performing control testing, 378,000 in enterprise issue management, 1 million in tracking status with real-time reporting and dashboards. You can again download the presentation and have a look at it yourself. That would make much more sense rather than me speaking out loud itself only.